Good day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we're looking at a new knife. This is definitely my most anticipated QSP knife for this year. Okay, I was checking Geiger. I was checking Sigourney Weaver. I was checking through the history of Lieutenant Ripley. Do you get where I'm going? Aliens or Alien? Okay, so I was checking all of those things, and just a while back my daughter and I finished watching all of the Alien movies again, including the new ones, Prometheus and those ones. But anyway, I can imagine Sigourney or Lieutenant Ripley herself carrying this knife. Okay, so we get a beautiful box, and this is the Ripley QS160A2 N14C28N black blade G10 handle. Okay, inside the box we get our awesome little card, which means I do not have to do specs. You can just go and read that there. 3.5-inch blade, 4 and whatever that is, 0.50 inches for the handle, G10. We have a lanyard hull. We have a reversible pocket clip, we have jumping, and we have the glide lock. The glide lock is actually quite an interesting thing. Okay, I got 2 stickers. Have a knife day, I love that one. And then we have a little QSP penguin. Okay, and then, let's move that stuff out of the way. And this is what we get. Look at these little things. And it's not just to look cool, they also add quite a lot of traction. We have the triangle on the pivot. This thing is all blacked out. Well, this is the one I chose. We have a nice broad pocket clip. It is inset with flat screws. And we have a cover plate on the reversible side. Okay, beautiful. We have nice thumb studs. Oh, I love that because I've never had a problem where I really needed cover plates except for that Migron. Okay, so apart from that, it's... Oh, that was me, sorry. This thing has got quite a detent on it. Okay, which means when it flicks out like a boss. I promise I can do that better. Okay, there we go. Reverse flick, no problem. Quite a nice tough detent on this guy. And it's so black, it's as if it is absorbing light. No, I'm lying. Okay, the blade shape on this knife is just amazing. Okay, it is a super utilitarian blade. It's a very neutral handle. It's big enough to get all your fingers on there and more. It works in every grip. It feels good, regardless of how you hold it. This is a very cool work knife. Okay, but you can also see it. Now, the glide lock, what makes this different? When you pull it open, okay, it is no friction at all. But when you leave it, it's as if there is a bit more tension. Okay, and then it sucks in there. And when you open it, same thing. It is just so nice. I really like the glide lock. And I think it's the way to go when you do crossbar style locks. Now, this thing, I'm not going to take it apart, but there is videos where they take it apart, where you can see the channel. It's all about how they made the channel that makes this thing suck itself into the knife like that. Okay, which means it gives you quite a nice detent. So it's not like a mushy thing, and I'm sure you're going to shake your face off and you're never gonna get this thing out. Somebody left a comment about the Cicada wing having a very weak detent because of the crossbar lock. Now, go get one of these because you will never have that problem again. Okay, we have a fantastic sharpening choil over there. Actually, it will widen in time, but most knives will anyway. This thing is marvelous. Now, if you want to fight aliens, use it for a work knife or do whatever you want to do. This is a fantastic knife to do it with. Okay, let's get back. I haven't been showing you videos for, I don't know, quite a few days. it's been a busy time, you know, family, friends, visiting people, doing all of those things. And after the 25th, when we finished with Christmas, the next day, the 26th, first thing that morning, we woke up, we packed up all the Christmas things. Remember, I start with Christmas quite early in November already. So we immediately pack everything up as soon as we are done with Christmas. So 26, we pack up everything, and then we started with New Year. But you don't need trees and stuff for that. Okay, so tomorrow is the 31st, which is a wonderful day. Not just because we say goodbye to the old year. It's my birthday tomorrow. So I hope I show you a video tomorrow. Anyway, all of you, check what I'm showing you after this. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. And awesome knife. You can't do this thing with only one. Awesome knife, awesome action. QSP, as always, fantastic. Goodbye. Okay, my best friend is doing a rib-eye bone on. We have some sausages, few pork chops, and then loads of vors. Delicious. Okay, spiced, and they are being spritzed with Worcestershire sauce, and olive oil and lemon juice. Okay, quick turn. Okay, the pork chops and the ribeye looks close to done. Okay, Piggylicious. This thing I suppose will be preference, and those guys I'm not sure about. Vors.